Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily disable the AEI SIRI feature on your iPhone device. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also put your likes and after watching write your comments. Let us get started. So, do you have the AEI SIRI feature activated? But, let's say it interferes with your life, because it happens that either Siri does not understand you, or just this function can pop up when you do not need it, and you want to disable. Then just go into your phone's settings. Then scroll down until you find the Siri section. And in order to deactivate it, you'll just need to tap near Listen for Hi Siri. Once you deactivate that feature, it will be turned off. If you say Hi Siri, as you can see, now Siri is not responding because you have this feature disabled. I hope this video was helpful for you. You have understood how you can easily disable the Hello Siri feature on any iPhone. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write comments and put your likes. See you soon, friends.